Alright guys, this is a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport, and we're doing front axle seals. Now, to do the front axle seals, you have to take apart the case, pretty much pull out the ring and pinion, which is right here, and make sure you keep track of all the washers and stuff that go on the side of the ring and pinion. And then also, you have to mark these, that they go straight up. I have the letters facing out, front left, I have the one right here, front right, and don't mix them up because they all it will mess up the bearing and the tolerance for the front diff. But what you gotta do is you have to pull out to get the front axles out. The seals are in here, and this is what they look like. Boom and boom. So to get those seals out, to get pretty much to change even one side of the seal, if they're both if one side's leaking, you have to pull out the diff and the ring. Well, you have to pull out the ring and pinion, pretty much. And then pretty much when you do that, you pull out one side of the axle and you pull out the other side of the axle, on that side, long side, and the short side over there, as you can see. You pull those two out, and then you pull out the ring and pinion, and then you can stick a pry bar through here and whack it out. Pull it out from this side, same side, a longer pry bar here, or an extension, whack it out from this side, and then take the seals out, put new ones in, and then it's pretty much a reversal. Now what I did was, I would not suggest, if it's a lot of rust, pulling the bearing out from the hub, because sometimes it can be rotted like this. So I pulled out the hub with the bearing, and also disconnect the ABS sensors because I thought it was going to come out easy, and boy was I wrong. It broke in there, so now I gotta pretty much probably do 2 new wheel bearings. Oh boy, what a disaster. But yeah, that's pretty much what you gotta do to get the axles out. I'm doing the rear axles right now in this customer's car, and pretty much the rear teeth are chewed up, as you can tell. We got chewed up teeth over here on the spider gears. We have to replace anyways, but we're just going to change the axle because that's what the customer wants to do. So I will record this soon after I'm finishing another car, and I'll show you how to do the rear diff.